The position of the hole is projected and plotted on the tile as is the position of the faucet pipe. Then the other side is marked out in the same way. At the top edge, the position of the hole and the faucet pipe, and this time on the right vertical edge. In case you found the use of the finger gauge daunting, this proves that it's also acceptable to use a square to plot the positions of the hole and the faucet pipe. Various methods can be used to cut out the unwanted sections. Here the tungsten-bladed handsaw is used to great effect, in conjunction with the nippers. And to cut the hole, the tile is placed in the DTA hole cutter. And with the rechargeable drill attached, a neat hole is quickly cut. A very nice finish indeed. The tile can then be bedded in and the hole matches perfectly. If you're confident with the nippers, the faucet pipe relief can be made quite quickly. And once again, the hole cutter is used to produce a perfect hole. Now the gold can be followed through and the rest of the tiles fixed. A trouble spot in many bathrooms and kitchens is the point where the floor and the walls meet. It's more often than not a dirt trap, and a coving strip is a really good idea. The DTA coving strip is simply pressed in to the wet adhesive and the now familiar floor tiles can be pressed right up to the base and the equally familiar wall tiles are fixed above. Providing an attractive and convenient coving strip in a well-known trouble spot in conjunction with the vertical PVC coving strip, you're assured of an attractive and hygienic environment. Here are just a couple of quick examples of how the smaller hand tool tile cutters can be quite effective. First, the hand scriber type tile cutter is drawn down the tile. Then the tile is placed on an off-cut, or in this case a spare border tile, held firmly and then struck sharply. And in this demonstration, the tile cutting pliers are drawn down the tile, and then the tile is squeezed between the jaws, producing this neat edge. And a quick and easy way to cut holes is with the rechargeable drill and the triangular bort or hole cutter. A few spins to get it started, then move it to the edge, hold it firmly and continue to make the hole. Exercise caution and very little pressure is needed. Well, the hole's the right size, but it's tapered. You can apply the bort from the other side, or you can use the perfect tool for confined spaces. That's where the parrot beak nipper takes over. Looking very like a real parrot from this angle, it nips away at the inside to produce a clean hole. The hole cutter can also be operated by hand. It takes a little longer, but the result is a nice round hole which can be dressed further with the universal round file. And that is how you tile a wall. You'll learn about the grouting procedure in the final section.